The workshop is we provide teachers with a conceptual framework for their coaching. So we try to give them basically an outline of the things to pay attention to, whether it's helping their teacher mentees pay attention to school culture, the written and unwritten rules of the school, as well as techniques in pedagogy. Each school has its own sort of pedagogical culture. And so what sorts of things do you need to communicate to your mentees about that? And then also talking about ways that you can support them specifically, for example, in terms of classroom management or in terms of delivering content, right? So those are the types of things that we try to address with our participants. I think the workshop is probably broadly beneficial. There are certainly some things in terms of science that Eric and Pat and myself bring to that table, but I think the ideas, the basic concepts, and some of the exercises that we go through could benefit any teacher leader, any administrator that has to coach other teachers.